Welcome to today's tutorial on how to hide a family member in your Facebook profile from everyone on PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open your profile page. Step 3. Click on the About section, which can be found below your profile photo. This will take you to the page where you can edit your profile details. Step 4. Inside the Family and Relationships tab, look for the icon next to the 3 dots. Icon next to the desired family member under Family Members. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, select Only Me. This ensures that only you can see the information about this family member on your profile. Step 6. Once you've selected Only Me, click Done to save the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a family member in your Facebook profile from everyone on PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial.